welcome back to another video. I, Srishti Mishra, legal intern in Lexicon Company, is going to present today's mini topic, that is mob lynching. Before moving ahead with the topic, it is very important for us to know that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement under the guideline of Bar Council of India. Sole purpose of this video is only for educational purpose. Now let's get started with the video. So every day we do see lots many cases. Lots many cases are arising of mob lynching, and seeing this, what Supreme Court has asked our central government to make some strict rules, to make some strict law, so that we can overcome this situation of arising situation of mob lynching. Now, if I told you something that from our starting, be it our parents, guardians, school teachers, our elders, our relatives, or our friends, they all taught us that we should, from beginning, that we should stay in a unity. Okay, now what's happening that this unity slowly and gradually is converting into a crowd, and this crowd is based on the lives of people on a rumor. Because of one rumor, they are taking lives of many people. Now this crowd is further made a union, वो एक union बन जाता है, and that union do violence in our society, in our country, and this is known as mob lynching. And not talking about mob lynching where it was originated. So mob lynching was originated from Europe, and lynching word, the word that is term here, lynching is used, it was originated by America during the Civil War. Now here the two terms which we are discussing about, that is, first one is mob, second one is lynch. So talking about second lynch, what is lynch? So lynch, if it's a crowd of people that is lynch someone who they believe is guilty of a crime. They kill that person without a legal trial. Now talking about what mob is. So mob, a large angry crowd, especially one that could easily become violent. Okay? One crowd that easily can become violent. Now talking about one of the case, that is 2015 case, Dimapur mob lynching case. On 2015 mob lynching case, referring to a case of mob lynching that took place in Dimapur, that is Nagaland in India, on 5th March 2015. What happened that there a mob of 7,000 to 8,000 people broke into a prison, dragged a man detaining under suspicion of rape out of Dimapur, and that he was central jail, and paraded Nate. They paraded that person Nate and beat him to death in a case of vigilante justice. Okay, so where there was a around of 7,000 to 800 people who beat that man brutally, so that the person him to a death in a case that was happened there, rape case that was happened there in Nagaland. So this is a very harsh, एक तरह से बोला जाए तो भयानक चीज. ऐसी mob lynching was done by a crowd of peoples. And if I talked about that, the crowd होने की वजह से there was no police, there were no legal things, there were no that could protect that person from that crowd. Now talking about another thing, that 2,000 strong mob kills, engineering over child kidnapping rumor in India, that is latest lynching was happened, that engineer was killed because of only rumor that he is a kidnapper of child. Now talking about that lynching is not defined in IPC, nor in CRPC, and not in our constitution. So if that is not defined, that what is that? So it is possible under section 223A of Criminal Procedural Code, that is CRPC, to prosecute that together two or more people accused of the same offence committed in the course of the same transaction, but the provisions falls for short and for an adequate legal framework for prosecuting that lynching mob is important. Now, if I talk about that, rumors are nowadays that social sites are really trending. They are really using by youngsters, everyone in our society. Of late, that we have seen as how the technology which is considered to be the boon for mankind is being used by the same people to spread rumors. And this is really worst thing, that they post rumors which describes this union thing to be truth without knowing the truth behind it, and do violence in our country, in our society, and takes new leadings to assault and death of innocent people. So if I talk about that, social sites are like Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook. All these are the social sites which are nowadays are used as spreading rumors. But WhatsApp has somewhere used some has some added benefit, that we cannot message someone, we cannot message the same text to more than 5 people, and if we try to send that message after sending to more than 5 people, then the message gets already blocked. This is a small thing, that is initiative that is taken by WhatsApp to control these rumors. But still, India has to work more hard, very hard, to stop this mob lynching, to stop this increasing cases of day by day. And this is about mob lynching, and I hope you find this video useful. And if you find this useful, go and like the smash button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know feedback in the comment box below down. Till then, take care, goodbye.